The Corruption Eradication Commission (KPK) charged the general manager of PT Hutama Karya on Thursday with allegedly stealing some 24.2 billion rupiah from a Ministry of Transportation funded sailing education project in Papua. Budi Rahmat Kurniawan was charged with embezzling funds from a program to teach local residents in Sorong, Papua about sailing. KPK investigators searched the South Jakarta office of Hutama Karya on Thursday, seizing 2 suitcases, 6 large boxes of documents and 2 smaller ones as evidence in the case. The investigation is ongoing. Budi's alleged misuse of state funds cost the state 24.2 billion rupiah in losses.